Stomach germs and digestive balance. What science actually says your stomach health affects your entire energy level. I noticed this during a period when my digestion felt unpredictable. Some days were fine. Other days felt heavy after even simple meals. Bloating and discomfort started affecting my mood and focus. At first, I searched for fast solutions. Anything that promised quick results sounded appealing. But my doctor explained something important early on. There is no rocket speed fix for stomach health. The digestive system does not reset instantly. According to the World Health Organization, gut health depends on long-term balance between diet, hydration, sleep, and stress management, rather than quick interventions. When people say stomach germs, they are usually referring to harmful bacteria or imbalance in gut microbiota. The gut microbiome is the community of microorganisms living in the digestive system. According to the National Institutes of Health, a balanced microbiome plays an important role in digestion, immune response, and nutrient absorption. But balance takes time. It does not change overnight from a single food or drink. One of the biggest mistakes people make is expecting instant elimination of digestive problems. Real improvement usually comes from consistent habits. In my case, the first change was simple. I stopped eating heavy meals late at night. I increased water intake throughout the day, and I added more fiber from vegetables, fruits, and oats. Within days, I did not feel cured, but digestion felt slightly more stable. That is how real change usually works. Gradual and subtle. Fiber plays an important role in gut health. According to Mayo Clinic Nutrition Guidance, dietary fiber supports healthy digestion and may help regulate bowel movement when part of a balanced diet. Fiber feeds beneficial gut bacteria over time, but it does not act instantly. Probiotics also matter. Foods like yogurt with live cultures may help support gut balance by introducing beneficial bacteria, according to clinical nutrition sources. But again, results depend on consistency. Not one serving, not one day, but repeated patterns over time. Another important factor is hydration. According to the World Health Organization, proper hydration supports digestion and helps the body maintain normal bowel function and energy levels. I also noticed something unexpected. Stress had a stronger effect on my stomach than some foods did. When stress increased, digestion felt worse even if my meals were healthy. This is related to the gut-brain connection, where emotional stress can influence digestive function. This is why lifestyle matters as much as diet. Sleep, mood, and routine all affect stomach comfort. Another key point is that digestive health is highly individual. What works for one person may not work the same way for another. This is why extreme claims like 100% elimination in rocket speed are misleading. Science does not support instant gut resets. According to NE research, improving gut health involves long-term dietary quality, fiber intake, hydration, movement, and medical guidance when needed. In my personal experience, the biggest improvement came from simplicity, not multiple supplements, not extreme diets, just consistent daily habits. I also started tracking my meals and symptoms. What I ate, how I felt afterward, energy levels throughout the day. Patterns became clearer over time. Heavy processed foods made me feel worse. Balanced meals felt easier on digestion, and consistent hydration improved comfort. One funny moment I remember is trying to fix everything in one day and ending up more confused than before. The truth is simple. The body does not respond to panic changes. It responds to consistency. Not every stomach issue comes from bacteria alone. Diet, stress, medications, and individual health conditions all play a role. This is why professional guidance is important. People with chronic digestive conditions or ongoing symptoms should always consult a healthcare provider before making major changes. Healthy digestion is not a quick event. It is a long-term process built through daily habits. If this video helped you, leave a like and share your experience below. Your story may help someone else improve their digestion. Small habits create real balance over time.